Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Turab Ali Khan from Level Advance. Today I have gotten the opportunity to participate in Quest Scientific World. I have brought the project of an earthquake alarm system. It's an earthquake detect projector which can provide a warning of ground shaking during an earthquake. The objective is to rapidly detect the initiation of an earthquake, estimate the level of ground shaking to be expected, and issue a warning before significant when the ground shaking starts. It is constructed with the help of a cardboard, a 9-watt battery with clip connector, an on-off switch, buzzer, a safety pin and copper wire which is attached with nut and glue. The reason of this project is to identify the level of ground shaking according to turn on this switch, and contemporarily it will work automatically when the earthquake comes. So now let's check it out, and I have already turned on this switch on. Now let's check it out. Now it will automatically stop, like it did the same. It stopped, and now let's check it again. I hope that you like it. Thanks for listening.